So we decided that we needed a hammock in our lives. We did a little research, so we kind of knew we wanted a few things about this hammock. We wanted it to be not too expensive, but still well made. We wanted it to be portable, so we could set it up at the beach and then maybe tear it down and set it up at the park. And we wanted it to be easy to do that, easy to put together. So we decided on this one, the Backyard Expressions Patio Home Garden 2-person hammock. Looks pretty good. Reviews were pretty good. We got one, and who better to test just how easy this thing is to put together than our college student daughter and her friend. So we loaded it up in the car, took it over to her dorm. Let's see if these two can figure out how to put this thing together. Meet Olivia and Mackenzie. Okay.
Where is this from?
Backyard Expressions. You can get it on Amazon. It's very colorful, from what I understand.
Cut here.
It's a very fancy knife.
Home Goods Finest. It's not very sharp, apparently. Is it colorful?
Oh yeah, look, it's like Jamaican-ish.
I think we're gonna need to. Oh, the directions.
Okay, connect the crossbars. So the crossbar with the bases. So these are the bases.
So does it go this way? No.
Yeah, because this has to be up.
Okay, I think it's this one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one came off really easily.
Okay.
Maybe I'm just super strong.
I feel like both of them should come off.
So this goes into the top one, but we'll do that later. In case you want to go mobile with it.
Traveling case. Well, it doesn't say we need a screwdriver.
Well, we got all these.
Oh, yeah. So, where are the bolts?
Maybe these things? Wait, let's flip it over. So,
Screw the bolts tightly into place. Connect the hammock frame bar with the bases. So now we put these in. We wish we had a hammock in our living room.
now that we're pros on putting it together.
Family bonded.
The holes line up again. Okay. Why do we have an extra one of these? Alright.
Just
Wait. Good.
oh shit. Only Dylan was here.
Alright. Good God, I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, you go first. Oh damn.
Stretch it out! But swing your foot here! Wait.
Wait, hold on.
Look at me.
It's not very stretchy. I'm gonna have to like
Look
stay
at-
here like this.
Hold on. I'm gonna. Hold on. That's it for now. Can we keep it in our dorm?
Dylan didn't put it together. I did.
Is it legit comfortable?
Yeah.
Look, you can swing. It's totally supporting you. And it looks really solid.
It's a little scary. That thing's rocking, but like.
Could you ever sleep in that thing?
Oh,
Oh,
for sure.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Like, just use this as like a curtain.
All right, just one of you get in it. One of you get out
Oh god.
without flipping the other one.
Should I try that? Okay, ready?
Do a little nighttime action.
Look at that. It's like you're in a cocoon. Is it totally comfortable?
Yeah. Like I could just sit here and like watch TV.
Can we keep it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
We can take it apart and put it back together whenever.
Good. Practice runs.
You're having people over? Need more seating?
No, let's just move that stuff, put it right there.
Get rid of the couches. Just have hammocks.
We should put it against the window.
Ready?
Nighttime! Daytime! Nighttime! Daytime!
So this turned out to be a great hammock. It's easy to put together. It's not too heavy. It seems like the parts are really well made. And at the end of the day, it all goes together in a bag, and you can take it wherever you want. So I would totally buy it again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.